Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So I know you're wondering why I'm standing in this empty room. Well, today I'm going to be giving you a house tour. Now this is not my house. Obviously you guys know my house is fully furnished. However, this is my friend's house. This is her first home ever. Well, I won't say first home ever. Her first house ever. And she's giving me free range to decorate her house the way I like to. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Now this project is going to take some time, definitely, for sure. I'm going to give you a house tour and give you a feel of how I'm going to decorate the house. So let's go. Okay, so right now we are in the living room, and this living room has a lot of space. First off, let me tell you that this is a duplex, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom duplex with a living room and a family room. In Florida, we call it a Florida room or a den. And you don't really find a lot of duplexes in Florida, at least not to my knowledge, with a living room and a family room. So that's pretty good. So like I said, we're standing right here in the living room, and it has a lot of space, as you can see. And this will probably be the last room that we furnish, only because for one, it has a lot of space, and she doesn't have furniture currently for this room, so it's gonna be last on the list. But I'm excited to decorate this room. She wants like a purple and silver theme. Well, she definitely wants purple in this room. I'm thinking purple and gold. That's the idea that I have for right now. But this is the living room. This is the laundry room. It doesn't have a washer and dryer, but it does have the connection, so she does have the option to add the washer and dryer, which I believe she plans to do that. So yeah, but I'm excited to decorate this portion too. I have a lot of ideas for this room, so I'm excited about that. Here is the kitchen. So this kitchen has a lot of space. Definitely has a lot of cabinets. So there's cabinets here, and there are cabinets here. It has a lot of cabinet space. I plan to do a video on how I'm going to decorate the kitchen. I do have some things today. I probably won't put it in this video, but it'll be in the next video. But in this room, I plan on doing a blue and gold theme. So hopefully it turns out okay. I have some things today. I have a few more things to get, but that's the theme that I plan on going with for the kitchen. All right, so moving on to the family room. This is what the family room looks like. Like I said, this has a lot of space. And she does have furniture for this room, so this should be easy to decorate. And then I know she wants like a learning area or a play area for the kids. So I'm thinking, depending on how I situate the sofa, I may put the play area on this side. But we also have to have a space for the dining room table. So I gotta really think about that. But she also has the option to use bar stools there. So that can be an option too. But this room also has a lot of space. Okay, and while we're over here, let's just move on to the backyard. I'm not gonna go outside. It is a shared backyard with the neighbor. Like I said, it is a duplex, but it is a pretty nice size. So this will probably be another room, another area that we do last, because it's not, you know, like a priority. But I do plan on doing something with this space and something nice for the kids also. Disregard this chair. The landlord has not got rid of the chair yet. Then we definitely got to get that out of here because yeah, we don't need that. This is one of the bedrooms. This is gonna be her oldest daughter's room. These curtains already came. I guess the previous tenant left the curtains here, but we're definitely gonna take that down. She wants like a black gray. Actually, this is what she's looking for. Like she wants to use these colors. So this is like a marble garbage. So she wants like black, white, and gray. for the theme of her room. And she also wants a grass wall. So I'm thinking this is the best place for the grass wall. And so we'll be working on that too. Okay. And then moving on to the next room, her youngest two daughters will be sharing this room. We do have furniture for this room. I'm trying to figure out how we're gonna situate the furniture so that we can maximize the space. I know it's a twin bed and it does have a trundle. So I have a dresser and one other piece, I believe. So we gotta figure out how we're gonna maximize that space. And we're gonna be going with the unicorn theme. This is the inspiration for this room. So they want like pink and gold for this room. So that was one of the first pieces that we picked up. I also picked up these curtains to replace what's currently there. I guess once we get the furniture, then we'll go ahead and start decorating. So I gotta talk to her about when we're gonna pick up the furniture. But yeah, this is the second bedroom, and we started decorating the bathroom. This is just something that we got from Walmart. I was gonna go with a different thing, but I couldn't really find the exact colors that I was looking for, so we just settled for this seashell thing. I do need to get some pictures to like go on the walls, go on this wall, maybe some decals, and then I want to get something to go here because there's a lot of counter space here, but I also don't want to clutter it. So I gotta think of something that's going to be really cute to go on this countertop, and then plus they have a lot of drawers and counter space here, so we don't really need to clutter it, but I just want something cute. So that's another thing that I'm going to be looking for this space. But yeah, and then also we plan on changing out the shower head. Like this is this old ugly one, so we're gonna change that out. And we just picked up this one from Walmart, so we have to change this out. And then the final room is her bedroom. This is her first time having her own bedroom, so I'm excited to decorate this for her because she gets to have her own space, her own space to come in and relax. So I'm excited to decorate this, and this will probably be another room, unfortunately, that we'll have to decorate last because we don't have any furniture for her. So we'll decorate this last, but this is her bedroom. This is what they now call the owner's bedroom. Some people still call it the master bedroom, but this is the owner bedroom. It has a nice big window there, or a nice big door there, and it has a window here. And then this is the closet. It's a walk-in closet. But these are some pictures that I picked up to kind of go with the inspiration that I'm looking for the room. And it's also gonna tie into the bathroom. And I will be doing the bathroom today, but on a separate video. Okay, so finally, here is her bathroom. As you can see, there's a curtain, shower curtain already up because we already started decorating it. I'm just gonna go in and finish it today. And this is the theme that I'm going for. So check back on the next video to see how this bathroom turns out. I didn't realize that there was no what do you call it, like a towel rod here, so I'm going to have to improvise because I do have 2 sets of towels and I want them to tie in together. So I'm gonna have to improvise and figure out what I'm gonna do here, but that's the theme that I'm going for. So we're also going to be changing out her shower head. Right now it has that same old ugly shower head, so we're gonna change that out to this one. Yeah, so that's pretty much the entire house. Today I'm gonna work on her bathroom and I'm gonna work on the kitchen of what I do have. Thank you for tuning in to this house tour video. Stay tuned for the next video, which will definitely be the bathroom, and then after that it will be the kitchen. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next.